Doctors unveil 6 natural foods to combat insomnia in seniors and enhance sleep quality. Have you ever spent the night tossing and turning? Have you ever laid awake all night, utterly exhausted, yet unable to close your eyes? Have you tried everything? Counting sheep, shifting positions, squeezing your eyes shut, only to find your mind growing more alert with every passing moment? When this pattern repeats night after night, it doesn't just leave you feeling drained in the morning. Over time, sleep deprivation can sap your energy, cloud your focus, and even increase your risk of Alzheimer's disease and high blood pressure. Have you noticed how a sleepless night often leads to a day filled with irritability, frustration, and even moments when you feel trapped in a cycle of exhaustion with no way out? Insomnia is one of the biggest struggles we face as we age. The older we get, the more fragile our sleep becomes. Worries, hormonal changes, and even the natural decline in sleep-regulating chemicals can make deep restorative rest harder to achieve. Many people turn to sleeping pills, but these can come with unwanted side effects and lead to dependency. So, is there a way to improve sleep naturally without relying on medication? The good news is that a good night's sleep isn't out of reach. Sometimes, just a small change in your diet can make a huge difference. Certain natural foods can help your body reset its sleep cycle, increase the production of essential sleep hormones, and make it easier to fall and stay asleep. This isn't a quick fix or a folk remedy. It's backed by scientific research and sleep specialists. Today, Golden Wise Elders will reveal 4 simple yet powerful foods that can significantly improve your sleep quality. These foods can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restful sleep. Stay with us until the end of this video, because sometimes one small dietary adjustment can be the key to finally getting the sleep your body craves. How to get a better night's sleep without medication. The solution might be simpler than you think. Research has shown that certain natural foods have an incredible ability to enhance sleep quality. One of the most powerful among them is tart cherry, a small fruit that holds the key to deeper, more restorative sleep. But what makes tart cherry so effective, and why do sleep experts highly recommend it? Did you know that drinking a glass of tart cherry juice every day can help you sleep longer and more soundly? It may sound too good to be true, but science confirms it. Tart cherries are one of the richest natural sources of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating our sleep-wake cycle. Unlike sweet cherries, tart cherries have a much higher concentration of melatonin, making them one of the best sleep-enhancing foods for older adults. Researchers have studied tart cherries extensively to understand their sleep benefits. A 2012 study published in the European Journal of Nutrition found that participants who drank tart cherry juice twice a day for 1 week slept an average of 84 minutes longer per night. But it wasn't just about sleeping longer. The quality of their sleep also improved significantly. They experienced deeper, uninterrupted sleep and woke up feeling more refreshed and restored. So, why does tart cherry have such a powerful effect on sleep? Besides melatonin, it is also rich in tryptophan, an essential amino acid that helps the body produce serotonin and melatonin, 2 crucial hormones that regulate sleep. Additionally, tart cherries are packed with anthocyanins, a potent antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation, protect brain cells, and improve nervous system function. This is particularly important for older adults, as inflammation and oxidative stress are often linked to sleep disturbances. Expert insight: why tart cherry is a natural sleep aid. According to Dr. Emily Carlson, a neurologist specializing in sleep disorders, one of the main reasons older adults struggle with sleep is due to the natural decline of melatonin production over time. As melatonin levels drop, the body's internal clock becomes disrupted, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Tart cherry is a natural solution for replenishing melatonin without the side effects of synthetic sleep aids, Dr. Carlson explains. Because it comes from a whole food source, the body absorbs and utilizes the melatonin from tart cherry more efficiently than from supplements. How to maximize the sleep benefits of tart cherry. Experts recommend the following ways to incorporate tart cherry into your routine. Drink a glass of tart cherry juice in the morning to boost energy and support your body's natural rhythm. Have another glass before bedtime to enhance melatonin production and promote restful sleep. If you're not a fan of juice, try fresh or dried tart cherries, but keep in mind that juice typically contains a higher concentration of beneficial compounds. If you often struggle with falling asleep or waking up in the middle of the night, why not give tart cherry a try? Sometimes a small dietary change can lead to a big improvement in sleep quality. Now it's your turn. Have you ever tried tart cherry juice before? If not, are you willing to give it a shot? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts with the community. And don't forget, if you found this information helpful, hit the like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe to Golden Wise Elders for more natural health tips and wellness insights. One small change tonight could mean a full night's rest tomorrow. If tart cherry is one of the richest sources of melatonin that helps you fall asleep faster, then bananas act as a natural relaxation remedy, allowing your body to stay asleep longer and wake up less frequently throughout the night. More than just a convenient snack, bananas are packed with essential nutrients that help relieve stress, relax the body, and support the production of sleep hormones. But what makes bananas one of the best natural foods for sleep? Let's explore with Golden Wise Elders. When people think of bananas, they often associate them with a quick source of energy or a digestive-friendly fruit. But few realize that bananas are also a powerful sleep aid. If you frequently experience stress, restless nights, or sudden awakenings, simply eating a banana before bed could make a significant difference in the quality of your sleep. Bananas are particularly beneficial for sleep because they contain two key nutrients, magnesium and tryptophan. Magnesium acts as a natural muscle relaxant. When your muscles are tense, your nervous system is overstimulated, or your body is under stress, magnesium helps calm the nervous system, reduce muscle contractions, and prepare the body for deep relaxation. A study published in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences found that older adults who increased their magnesium intake experienced significant improvements in sleep quality. They were able to fall asleep faster, wake up less during the night, and enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep compared to those who were magnesium deficient. But magnesium isn't the only sleep-enhancing nutrient in bananas. Stay tuned as we uncover another key compound that makes bananas a true natural sleep booster. But magnesium is only part of the story. Bananas also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that plays a critical role in the production of serotonin and melatonin. Serotonin helps lift your mood and quiet an anxious mind, making it easier to drift off naturally. Once your body has enough serotonin, it converts it into melatonin, the hormone responsible for maintaining a steady sleep cycle. As we age, melatonin production declines, which is why sleep becomes more fragmented and harder to maintain. That's where bananas come in. They provide the building blocks your body needs to regulate its internal clock and keep you asleep through the night. Dr. James Thornton, a nutrition and sleep expert, explains that many older adults struggle with sleep issues without realizing their bodies are missing key nutrients like magnesium and tryptophan. He emphasizes that something as simple as adding a banana to your evening routine can make a noticeable difference. Unlike sleeping pills, which can cause grogginess and dependence, bananas work with your body's natural rhythms, helping you relax without unwanted side effects. If you want to get the most out of bananas for better sleep, timing matters. Eating one about 30 to 60 minutes before bed gives your body time to absorb the nutrients and start the relaxation process. Pairing it with a warm glass of milk, another excellent source of tryptophan, can enhance the effects even further. If you prefer a light snack, try slicing a banana over oatmeal or enjoying it with a spoonful of peanut butter. The combination of slow-releasing carbohydrates and sleep-supporting nutrients helps keep blood sugar stable, preventing those late-night wake-ups caused by energy dips. Have you ever tried eating a banana before bed? Or do you have a favorite way to enjoy it in the evening? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's learn from each other in the Golden Wise Elders community. If bananas act as a natural relaxation aid that helps your body unwind and fall asleep, then kiwi plays the role of a sleep catalyst, working to regulate your internal clock and promote deep, uninterrupted sleep. This small but mighty fruit isn't just rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It also contains a key compound that helps stimulate melatonin production, the hormone essential for high-quality sleep. So how exactly does kiwi support better sleep? And why do sleep specialists strongly recommend including it in your nighttime routine? Let's find out. It may be surprising to think that a tiny fruit like kiwi could have such a significant impact on sleep. But sleep experts have long recognized its powerful effects, and research confirms that adding kiwi to your diet can make a noticeable difference. If you often find yourself tossing and turning at night, struggling to fall asleep, or waking up feeling unrested, making this one simple change could be exactly what you need. Scientific studies have shown that kiwi naturally enhances sleep quality. In a study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition, researchers observed individuals who ate 2 kiwis 1 hour before bed every night for 4 weeks. The results were remarkable. They fell asleep 35% faster, meaning no more lying awake for hours. Their total sleep duration increased by 13%, allowing the body ample time to recover and rejuvenate. They experienced 42% fewer nighttime awakenings, leading to deeper sleep and feeling more refreshed in the morning. What makes kiwi so effective? The secret lies in serotonin, a crucial neurotransmitter that plays a key role in stabilizing mood and regulating sleep. When the body has enough serotonin, it naturally converts it into melatonin, the hormone that signals your body when it's time to sleep. However, as we age, melatonin levels naturally decline, making it harder to maintain a consistent sleep cycle. Kiwi helps counteract this by boosting natural melatonin production, allowing sleep to come more easily and last longer. Kiwi isn't just a sleep aid, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that support overall brain health and stress reduction. Packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and folate, this small fruit helps protect the brain from aging and reduces oxidative stress. That's an important factor, especially for older adults, as stress and anxiety are among the leading causes of insomnia. Dr. Alan Richardson, a sleep researcher, points out that one of the biggest mistakes people make is assuming that insomnia is only about nighttime habits. He emphasizes that what you eat throughout the day plays a direct role in the quality of your sleep at night. Foods rich in serotonin, like kiwi, don't just promote better sleep. They also enhance brain health, ease anxiety, and create a sense of calm that makes falling asleep easier. To get the most out of kiwi for sleep, experts recommend a few simple strategies. Eating 1 to 2 kiwis about an hour before bed allows your body enough time to absorb its nutrients and boost melatonin production. Pairing kiwi with yogurt or almonds can create a light, balanced evening snack that helps stabilize blood sugar levels overnight. If you enjoy smoothies, blending kiwi with bananas and almond milk is a fantastic way to relax your body and prepare for restful sleep. Have you ever tried eating kiwi at night? If not, this might be the easiest sleep hack you've ever come across. Drop a comment below with, "I'll try it," and let's experience better sleep together with Golden Wise Elders. And don't forget, if you found this helpful, hit like, share this video with your loved ones, and subscribe to stay updated with more natural health tips. One small change today could lead to a lifetime of better sleep. If kiwi works to naturally boost melatonin production, then chamomile tea acts as a gentle sedative, calming the mind and easing away stress. For many people, insomnia isn't just about low melatonin levels. It's about an overactive mind, racing thoughts, and the inability to switch off at night. So how can you relax and transition into sleep effortlessly? The answer might be simpler than you think. A warm cup of chamomile tea before bed. After a long day, there's nothing more soothing than slowly sipping a warm drink, allowing the body and mind to unwind, but not all teas are suitable for nighttime. If you're looking for a natural, caffeine-free way to reduce stress and ease into restful sleep, chamomile tea is the perfect choice. Let's find out why. For centuries, chamomile tea has been used as a natural remedy to help the body relax. More than just a soothing herbal tea, chamomile contains apigenin, a powerful antioxidant that binds to GABA receptors in the brain. These receptors play a key role in reducing anxiety, calming the nervous system, and naturally inducing sleepiness. This is why drinking chamomile tea before bed can help wash away the worries of the day and make it easier to drift into restful sleep. Chamomile's benefits aren't just based on tradition. Scientific research has backed its effectiveness. A study published in the Journal of Advanced Nursing examined older adults who struggled with sleep. After drinking chamomile tea every night for 2 weeks, they noticed significant improvements. They fell asleep faster than before. They experienced fewer nighttime awakenings, leading to a more continuous, uninterrupted sleep. They woke up feeling refreshed in the morning, without the usual grogginess or fatigue. Dr. Laura Bennett, a sleep and herbal therapy expert, highlights one of the biggest advantages of chamomile tea. Unlike prescription sleep aids, it doesn't come with unwanted side effects. She explains, "Many of my patients complain that after taking sleeping pills, they feel sluggish and drowsy the next morning. But with chamomile tea, you can fall asleep naturally without worrying about lingering grogginess the next day." Beyond its calming effects, chamomile tea also has anti-inflammatory properties and aids digestion, helping to relieve bloating or discomfort at night, common issues that can disrupt sleep. To maximize its sleep-enhancing effects, experts recommend drinking a cup of chamomile tea 30 to 45 minutes before bed. This gives your body time to absorb its calming compounds and gradually ease into relaxation mode. Adding a spoonful of pure honey can further enhance its soothing properties, helping you relax even faster. Just be sure to avoid adding sugar or caffeine, as they can counteract its calming benefits. A simple cup of chamomile tea each night might just be the first step toward better sleep. Now it's your turn. Do you have a habit of drinking tea before bed? Have you tried chamomile tea as part of your nighttime routine? If not, give it a try tonight and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. If chamomile tea is a gentle way to calm the mind and ease into sleep, then walnuts serve as a powerhouse of essential nutrients that help sustain deep restorative rest. For many people, insomnia isn't just about stress or anxiety. It's also linked to a deficiency in key nutrients, particularly melatonin and omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts are more than just a nutritious snack. They are a natural sleep aid that can make a real difference in your nightly rest. If you often toss and turn, struggle to fall asleep, or wake up frequently during the night, adding a handful of walnuts to your diet might be the simple change you need. No sleeping pills, no unwanted side effects, just a small, natural adjustment that can help you drift off more easily and stay asleep longer. So why do walnuts have such a positive effect on sleep? The secret lies in two key nutrients, melatonin and omega-3s, both of which play a direct role in regulating sleep cycles. Melatonin is the hormone responsible for managing the body's internal clock, signaling when it's time to rest. As we age, natural melatonin production declines, making sleep more fragmented and less restorative. A study published in the Nutrients Journal found that consuming walnuts increases melatonin levels in the bloodstream, leading to more consistent and deeper sleep. Beyond melatonin, walnuts are also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Researchers have discovered that omega-3s help boost serotonin production, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and improves sleep quality. Additionally, omega-3s have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce sleep disturbances caused by inflammation, a common issue among older adults. According to Dr. Catherine Reynolds, a clinical nutrition specialist, individuals who consume adequate amounts of omega-3s not only sleep better, but also wake up feeling more refreshed and mentally sharp. To get the most sleep-enhancing benefits from walnuts, experts recommend eating a small handful, about 1 ounce or 28 grams, in the evening before bed. For a more flavorful and nutritious option, try pairing them with yogurt or sprinkling them over a bowl of oatmeal. Both great choices for a relaxing bedtime snack. If you've tried multiple sleep remedies with little success, why not opt for something simple and natural? Start incorporating walnuts into your diet and see how your sleep improves. Have you ever eaten walnuts before bedtime? If not, give it a try tonight and share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget, if you found this information helpful, hit like, share this video with friends and family, and subscribe to Golden Wise Elders for more valuable health and wellness tips. Wishing you a peaceful night's sleep. Oatmeal isn't just a nutritious breakfast staple, it's also a powerful ally for better sleep. While many people associate oats with energy and digestion, few realize that this humble grain can naturally regulate sleep cycles. Thanks to its rich composition of complex carbohydrates, vitamin B6, and melatonin-boosting properties, oatmeal is an excellent choice for those struggling with restless nights. One of the primary reasons oatmeal promotes sleep is its ability to enhance melatonin production. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine found that foods rich in complex carbohydrates like oats help increase the bioavailability of tryptophan, an amino acid that gets converted into serotonin and then melatonin. These hormones play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy sleep cycle. Additionally, oats naturally contain melatonin, making them one of the best bedtime foods for older adults experiencing sleep disturbances. Beyond melatonin, oats are an excellent source of vitamin B6, an essential nutrient for serotonin production. Low levels of vitamin B6 have been linked to insomnia, mood imbalances, and restless sleep. According to Dr. James Parker, a sleep specialist at the National Sleep Foundation, many of my older patients don't realize that their sleep issues may be related to vitamin deficiencies. Vitamin B6 is critical in producing serotonin, which is a precursor to melatonin. A diet that includes B6-rich foods, such as oatmeal, can naturally support better sleep quality. Another key benefit of oatmeal is its ability to stabilize blood sugar levels. Unlike refined carbohydrates, which cause sugar spikes and crashes that can lead to nighttime awakenings, oats provide a slow and steady release of energy. This keeps blood sugar levels balanced and prevents disruptions in sleep.